What do you do when you have overripe bananas at home? Turn them into this delicious banana halwa using less sugar and ghee. Let's get to the recipe. Here, as you can see, we have about 20 to 25 overripe bananas. Remove the skin and steam them for about 15 minutes till they are well cooked. Now cool the bananas before adding them to the mixie jar and grind it smooth without adding any water. Now transfer it to an urli or a pan. To this add 1 and 1/4 cup of sugar. This amount of sugar gives just the right amount of sweetness. Mix the banana and the sugar. Now add about 2 tablespoons of ghee. Begin to mix everything on a medium flame. After about 10 minutes, you will see that the mixture has begun to boil. Continue stirring. After continue stirring for about half an hour, you will see that the color of the banana has changed now. Keep mixing and stirring continuously on a medium flame. Now add about 2 more tablespoons of ghee and no more. As soon as you add the ghee, you will see that the halwa mixture loosens up and it becomes easier to stir the halwa. The ghee has been soaked up and you need to keep stirring continuously on a medium flame. You can again add 2 more tablespoons of ghee at this stage. After another half an hour, you will see that the texture of the halwa has changed and it now turns hard. Keep stirring and mixing and keep scraping the bottom of the urli or the pan so that it does not burn. The texture of the halwa changes after every half an hour. Once the halwa leaves the pan, add roasted cashew nuts and mix for a couple of minutes more. In all, the making of this halwa takes about 1.5 to 2 hours of continuous stirring and mixing and scraping the bottom of the pan. Keep mixing and stirring until the smell of the bananas disappear and you get a slightly hard texture. Finally, it's done, and transfer the halwa to a greased plate. Flatten it out using a greased spatula. Once completely cooled, they are now ready to be cut into pieces. The ghee and sugar used in this recipe is just right. Feel free to increase the amount of sugar or ghee. This halwa lasts for about a month and it's one of the most healthiest and tastiest sweets. Give this recipe a try when you have overripe bananas at home, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.